Hey everyone, Chris the Thrift Shop Hustler got another reseller video for you today. Once again, I'm Chris the Thrift Shop Hustler. Definitely go down there and click the subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, and click the like button anytime during this video. So this is actually an interesting video series that I'm going to start about Mecari. For those that don't know, Mecari is another online selling platform just like eBay or Poshmark. Now, I would say it leans more towards Poshmark as far as, it's more of a social media type of selling platform. I just started today, so I was diving into it. I thought, why don't I make a video series, a beginner's guide? You can follow my journey. I'll be posting videos maybe once a week about my Mecari journey. We're going to get into all of it right now. So definitely subscribe if you want to follow this Mecari journey. So like I was saying, Mecari is pretty much like a selling platform where you can click likes and everything. And it's pretty much set up like Poshmark. It's basically, think about Mecari as like the Poshmark for collectibles. They have clothing and all that kind of stuff on there, but I found that mostly toys and things like that are selling very, very well. As a matter of fact, I had my first listing and first sale today, and we're going to get into that right now. So basically, Mecari.com this is the home page, as you can see here. What's really nice is it shows sold in the last 10 minutes. So you can actually go and see the different things that have sold, and that's very handy as far as figuring out what the price is. It's basically like the comps on eBay. Up here, this little person icon, you can click that. It'll take you pretty much to your My page, which shows you all your different things that you can change. You have your profile here, your rating. I just started today. Your confirmation, you can confirmate through email, your phone SMS, and Facebook, which I haven't connected to there yet. Also, your notifications are going to be right here. As you can see, there's a lot of people liking one particular post. I'll click on that. That is my one of my customs. I figured out that like Funko Pops do very well on this platform just by viewing and seeing all that kind of stuff. So, I definitely decided to put some of my customs that haven't been selling on eBay. So we'll go back up to the My page right here. We'll click that little guy, and we'll go over this real quick. Your profile obviously is going to show you your profile. Action required would be if you sold something. It'll basically show it in here. Your likes, in case you like certain products or something that you're looking for. Your listings obviously is going to be all the different things that are listed. It's going to also show the likes and the current status. In progress is going to show you if something's pending. I'm going to be shipping out this game today, which was actually the very first thing that I shipped was this, and I'm going to have to block that address out. But anyways, that's what was sold on that. And basically, what's really cool too is, you can change the different things as far as if you want to have shipping printed through Mecari, or if you can change your own, use your own printing services like stamps.com, which I use. And also your listings will show completed. So I'm assuming once you complete something, it'll be right there. Your purchases, in case you purchase anything. Mecari news. Obviously, if there's any news or anything in chats, which is if you're going back and forth with someone, as we had one little chat the second I posted one of these, someone was asking if I was going to be listing any more games. Balances and credits, it'll be your balance, basically, once you start to sell stuff. Credits, if you have any sort of credits for any kind of returns, or maybe there's some other kind of promotional items going on. Coupons, in case you have them. And of course, all the different settings. You can edit your profile, your addresses, your payments. You can add a card. You can edit your account, your phone verification, your SMS notification settings, where if you click that, you can turn the different things on and off, which is nice. I might click off the likes at certain points because, it's actually nice to see on your phone when you get notifications for that particular thing. I like the website. It's pretty easy to use. So if I'm looking for something like, let's say I'm looking for skateboards, you click on that, all the different things will come up. I noticed that the search function isn't like super great. like intuitive like eBay. You might type in skateboards, and if you scroll all the way down here, you see that there's a hoverboard. So they might have used skateboard in the hashtag or something like that. But's really cool is also there is a comps, a sold status where you can click on that to see what things have been selling over the last week or so. I find this very helpful to see what things are selling, what things that I've missed that I could have possibly bought. Mecari right now is still there's not really that many users compared to eBay. So if you niche down and you're looking for very specific things, you can probably still do some online arbitrage. So if you can look for stuff to resell on other platforms, I think this is Mecari so early that a lot of people really don't know about it. You can actually do some online arbitrage through here. But I definitely like the sold listings, and you can definitely check out all that kind of stuff. Selling super easy. You go up here, you click sell now. It's pretty much like Poshmark is set up, but I like this better than Poshmark. It's very intuitive. When you type in your title and then you go to category, it'll like pre-populate a lot of things for you. And I'll show you, like, let's say Nike Air Jordans, right? Nike Air Jordans. And you go and click the category, it'll actually pull up, shoes, athletic shoes, kids, men's, women's. It'll pull up the stuff for you, which is actually really super nice. The condition, I like the condition thing where you can definitely click on, there's 5 different types of condition values. There's new, like new, good, fair, and poor. Ships from zip code, of course, your zip code. Offer free shipping, yes. Recommended, no. What's actually nice is when you say free shipping or any of those, it'll actually ask you for prepaid label or ship your own. If you're shipping your own stuff, I highly suggest ship your own. I found that the prepaid labels are a little pricey. I shipped a like a 5-ounce thing today, and it cost me 5 something when it normally should have cost me like 370 something. So I highly suggest if you're doing your own shipping, if you have like stamps.com or Solid Ship or some of the other ones, definitely print your own shipping. I find that the Mecari shipping is a little pricey, and I think they kind of average the things out. Like I think when I selected, it was like 5 ounces to 15 ounces, so it like had a huge spread of what the things could be. It doesn't pinpoint it down perfectly. And I have to mention that I'm using it on a desktop, but it's actually more a mobile app. Mecari is. So if you're used to selling on eBay or Poshmark through the app, this is going to be perfect for you. For old men like me, I like to use the desktop, so I'll use the desktop things. Right now, my game plan is to kind of cross post some stuff that I think will sell. Like I said, I listed that GameCube game that sold pretty much instantly. I will say that I kind of pick up on a lot of things most people don't, as far as paying attention to details. And I will say, when my first item, I don't know what it is with the algorithm. There's a lot of likes. I know that the item that I first posted, that video game, wasn't like a really rare game or anything. So I think Mecari kind of promotes your first listing. So let me know in the comments below if you experienced that on your first listing, that there was a lot of people that were liking, there was a lot of people that were commenting, and there was messages and stuff like that, and then that thing sold instantly. And then after that, I noticed that this other stuff I posted didn't really have that engagement. So I think there's something going on there with your first listing. I don't know if Mecari bumps that up or there's some kind of algorithm there, but definitely leave a comment below. I'm very excited to use Mecari, as I've known about this for over a year, and I've always put it in my notes to say I want to go try Mecari and try it out, and I just never did. Today, I don't even know where I saw it. I think I saw it on Instagram, and I was like, you know what? Today's the day. I'm gonna jump forward. My personal eBay sales are really, really slow. I have like 200 things in my inventory, and a lot of that stuff is this kind of stuff that I see sells very well here. Like I said, video games and collectibles seem to be the huge thing here. I'm going to be trying some of my art, see how that works out and everything. So I just wanted to make this video real quick. Definitely click the like button if this helped you in any way. Like I said, I'm a beginner. I learn very fast, so I'm going to try to do these videos once a week about different things about Mecari, how my journey's going, a little things that I might have noticed that might help you out. And we're going to do some Mecari videos for sure in the future, just to see how this goes and how the cross posting and sales versus eBay versus Mecari, because I think I've tried a lot of different selling apps, and I will say this, out of everything, even Poshmark is I think is going to actually, you know, get some traction and might possibly give eBay a run for its money, as I feel like this is more towards the younger demographic, and I think eBay's losing that teenager 20-ish demographic. Well, eBay's, you know, it's got all us older people, so definitely stay tuned for that. Click the bell for notifications. We're going to be doing some live stuff also. Once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Take care.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a bird box skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's. Your granddad, we're donating that, yeah.